Hello everyone. Today we are going to see number systems. In early days, when people used to count, they were using their fingers, stones, pebbles, and sticks for counting. But those methods were not adequate, and those methods were having so many limitations. So, after that, many number systems were introduced. So, one by one, we are going to see those number systems. Number systems which were introduced were decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal. So today we are going to see decimal number system and binary number system. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with decimal number system which we are using in our daily life. So, why it is called decimal number system? Because it consists of digits from 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9. So, there are in all total 10 digits. So, this is called decimal number system and its base is 10. So, 10 is the base of decimal number system. And in binary number system, we are using only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Therefore, it is called as binary number system and its base is 2. So, firstly, we will discuss decimal number system. It consists of 10 digits, 0, 1, 2 till 9. In all, there are 10 digits, so base is 10. So every number individually or can be grouped to form the numeric values like 82 minus 256, 52.87, etc. So value of each digit in a number depends on face value of the digits, base of the number system, and position of the digit in the number. Like for 547, each position represents a specific power of base 10. Like for the unit place, power of base will be 0. For tens place, power of base will be 1. For hundreds place, power of 10 will be 2. So, the positional value of each digit increases 10 folds as we move from right to left. Look here. At units place, its value will be 7 only. Then, at tens place, whatever will be the digit, it will be multiplied with 10. So, it will give you 4 will give you 40. And if we take the position at hundreds place, it will be multiplied with 10 to the power 2, that will be the 100. So 5 into 100 will be 500. So this is our number 547. Binary number system consists of only two digits 0 and 1. Since this system uses two digits, it has the base 2. All digital computers use this number system to convert the data input from decimal format into its binary equivalent. A computer cannot understand human language. The data that is entered into a computer is converted into binary form because a computer understands only binary code. It further converts the binary result into the decimal equivalent for output. Now we will see the conversion of decimal into binary number system. Let us take one example. If we want to convert 25, which is in decimal, so base is decimal, to binary, so base will be 2. How we will find out? Let's see. So what to do? Go on dividing 25 by 2 Write quotient here and remainder here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, remainder will be 1. Again divide quotient by 2, 2 6 are 12, remainder will be 0. Again divide it by 2, 2 3s are 6, remainder will be 0. 2 ones are 2, remainder will be 1. Repeat the procedure until you will get the quotient 0. 2 zeros are 0, so remainder will be 1. So the last remainder we got is the most significant digit. Most significant digit, and the first remainder that we have got is the least significant digit. Least significant digit. So how we'll write the answer there? Start from the most significant digit to the least significant digit. Pick the digits and write it. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, and its base is 2 since this is in the binary form. So this is the binary equivalent of 25. So 25 in decimal will be equivalent to 11001 in the binary form. Now we'll see binary to decimal number conversion. To convert a binary number into decimal number, firstly we will go on multiplying each binary number with its positional value, which is in the terms of powers of 2, starting from the extreme right digit. Let us see how. So if we take a number 1010, since its base is 2 and we have to convert it into the decimal, so I will do, take from extreme right digit, take one digit, then multiply the binary number with its positional value, which is in the term of power of 2, so 2 to the power 0. Then take second number, so 1, and its positional value will be 2 to the power 1. Then take third digit 0, it will be 2 to the power 2, and then 1 into 2 to the power 3. This will be at the units place. This is tens, this is hundreds, and this is at the thousands place. Now you find out the value. 0 into 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0 will be 1, so 0 into 1 will be 0. 1 into 2 to the power 1, that is 1 into 2, so it will be 2. 0 into 2 to the power 2, it will be 4, but 4 into 0 will be 0. And 1 into 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 means 8, so 8 into 1 will be 8. Add all the digits, 8 plus 2 will be 10. So this is the decimal equivalent of 1010. So how will write them? 1010 in binary will be equivalent to 10 in the decimal number system. Now we see the octal number system. It consists of 8 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 plus 1, 8 digits. So its base is 8. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. The only difference is the change of base. Now come to the hexadecimal number system. So its base will be 16. It uses the decimal numbers 0 to 9 and includes 6 extra symbols A to F. A, B, C, D, E and F. This number system is also known as hex. Hex means 6 and decimal. Decimal is equals to 10. So it is called as hexadecimal number system.